2014 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, heated seats, backup camera, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, one owner, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player, compass, fog lights, trip computer, tachometer. Come see the car for yourself.